It's early evening and tonight I'm cooking lamb in wine sauce with quinoa. I've got 1 pound of lamb, onion, olive oil, red wine, salt, and black pepper. So my first step will be to slice the onion into the rings. Alright, onions are ready. And step number 2, I have around 2 pound piece of lamb from New Zealand. And I'm gonna save 1/2 for the future cookings. And today I'm gonna cook 1/2. So the goal is to cut down the lamb to the even pieces. Even pieces, not too big, so you can evenly cook it. And having a juicy lamb in your pan mixed with onions and olive oil. So everything is ready for the third step. I add extra virgin olive oil. Temperature of the pan is 8 of 10. Adding lamb. I'm going to saute it for about 5 minutes first. And now I'm adding onions. The smell is just incredible. Speaking about a combination of extra virgin olive oil, lamb, and fresh onions is just fabulous. After another 5 minutes pairing this together, I'm adding red table wine. Mixing everything together and covering a pan with a lid, leaving this cooking for about 40 minutes on the medium heat. Occasionally mixing it up. And now 5 to 10 minutes before the end, I'm going to add some, let's say 2 small pinches of salt and a lot of ground pepper. The lamb is ready. I also cooked some quinoa on the side as a side dish, and now I'm gonna pair this together. This is the final product. Soft quinoa, juicy and tender lamb with onions. Fantastic taste, and I recommend it to you. Try it out, get some lamb, and let me know what you think.